G'day guys, Ben from Sados here to talk about off-road vehicle air filter maintenance. We'll start off by showing you how to remove your air filter out of, this is a Can-Am Maverick X3. So we start off by loosening all 4 locking clips on this unit, which are located just behind the driver's seat. Gently removing the air filter cover. Can't get it off. Then we'll gently twist the filter out and we'll take it up onto the bench to have a proper look at it. Alright guys, so this is a filter that we just pulled out of the Maverick X3, which is in fairly good condition for about 10 to 15 hours worth of driving due to it being fitted with an S&B particle filter. So that just helps filter out a lot of the bigger dirt and debris before it goes into the airbox. So, whereas this one, with approximately the same hours on it, as you can see, that's what it looks like. For comparison, this is a brand new filter. Okay, so when replacing our air filter, we can either replace it with a standard, like a genuine BRP stock filter, which is a paper element, or for some guys like to go to like a twin stage foam filter by Twin Air, which is oiled like a motorcycle filter, but will require a little bit more maintenance to clean it. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and reinstall the filter into the X3. We recommend to put a small amount of grease around the sealing surface, not only to aid the installation of the filter, but to just ensure that no dust gets through that sealing surface there. So not too much, just a very small amount. All right, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the filter into the X3. So we'll just have a look up there to see where we've got to go to. Gentle wiggle to make sure it's fully seated in there. And then replacing your cap and just making sure your locking tabs are all lined up correctly. Alright guys, as you can see, it's really easy to do a quick check on that air filter to make sure that it's not blocked or full of dirt and there's no dust going through the filter to ensure maximum engine performance.